savory miso garlic glaze. Meets juicy pan-seared chicken. Low-calorie, high-protein miso garlic chicken rice bowl. $90 grams of short grain rice. Rinse the rice and drain. Add 120 grams of water to the rinsed rice. Add a half tablespoon of sake for tastier rice. It's optional. Mix well, then cook the rice. Five shiso leaves for your favorite herbs like basil. Finely chop. $200 grams of chicken thigh. Cut into bite-sized pieces. A dash of salt and pepper. Season the other side with a dash of salt and pepper. One clove of garlic. Grate into a paste. One and a half tablespoon of miso. Half tablespoon of sugar. Half tablespoon of sake. 1 tablespoon of mirin. Add the garlic paste. Mix well. Medium heat. 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Heat the pan thoroughly. Add the bite-sized chicken pieces. Once the chicken is brown, reduce to low heat. Cover with aluminum foil and steam fry for 3 minutes. Add the pre-made sauce to the pan with the chicken fat still in it. Add the chopped shiso or herbs. Mix well. One teaspoon of white sesame seeds and half teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix well. Serve the cooked chicken over a bowl of rice. Drizzle the sauce over the empty space in the bowl. 今日の料理は味噌ニンニクダレのチキン丼でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.